When you first open Dreamweaver, you'll have several options on the left-hand side. These are actually different tabs, but they're listed vertically rather than horizontally. I'm currently on the Home tab, which shows my recent documents. I'm going to go down to Quick Start to show you a few things here, so go ahead and click on that now. When you click Quick Start, it's going to offer you the choice of several different templates for the items that are listed here. You have the option to start a new Bootstrap document, and let's see what happens when I click on it. I'm just going to go ahead and click Create. So it's going to automatically put in some things that are really traditional in Bootstrap. For example, here's the classic Bootstrap nav bar. All of these classes inside of my HTML document. And you'll see that up here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different files associated with this HTML file. I have a CSS file. I have a minimized JavaScript file. I have another minimized JavaScript file. And then I have the Bootstrap JavaScript file. So that's what happens when you click on one of these items. I can then go back. If I close out of it, I can choose to have just a plain old vanilla CSS document. Let me go ahead and click on that one. So it just puts a little bit of stuff up here at the very top. It's going to set up your char set of UTF-8. And yeah, that's really how simple it is. So you may be familiar with saving snippets of code to use. This is kind of like that. If I want to create just a plain vanilla HTML document, I can come over here and click on this, and you'll see that the HTML5 doc type is inserted for me. So I'm going to encourage you guys to just play around with these things. I have talked about what less is and Sass is in our lecture, so make sure that you take a look at those. We have talked about PHP before and JavaScript and what those scripting languages are. So there you go. Oh, by the way, if you didn't realize it, SVG is actually coded images. Okay? So you can create an image with strictly code here. But I'll tell you, it is much, much easier to go into a program like Illustrator and do that. All right. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a tour of the Quick Start elements. In the next video, we'll take a look at the starter templates.